Okay, let's do the fourth one. Okay, that is f of x is equal to ax plus b cx plus d whole square. Again, you can use any of the two formulas. That is, it's the same formula but different notations. Okay, that is d by dx of, now these are two functions. If this is f of x and this is g of x, then d by dx, derivative of f of x multiplied by g of x, will be derivative of the first function multiplied by the second function plus first function and derivative of the second function. Okay, now if we consider this to be u and v in this notation, then it will be u dot v whole dash, which is equal to u dash v plus uv dash. Okay, you can use any of this notations. Okay, formulas are both same, but only the notations are different. Okay, so let's use d by dx. Okay, d by dx of f of x is equal to d by dx of ax plus b multiplied by two functions dot cx plus d whole square. Now this is f of x and this is g of x, so it will be d by dx of first function multiplied by the second function cx plus d whole square plus first function as it is and derivative of the second function cx plus d whole square. Okay, now d by dx of ax plus d by dx of b, second function as it is, okay, whole square, plus first function as it is ax plus b derivative of the second function. Now see, here comes the chain rule. Okay, now this is in the form x raised to n. We'll do it here. Okay, do it here. Let's take here and do dx upon cx plus d whole square. Now this is in the form x square. Okay, power rule, assuming this to be x, so it will be x square. Okay, so using power rule, derivative of this will be 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. Okay, which is equal to 2x. So assuming this to be x, the same way, if you assume this to be x, you can derivate this by 2x. This is x. Okay, so cx plus d whole 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2. And since this is not x, we are assuming it, we have to derivate it again. Okay, d by dx of cx plus d. So this becomes 2 cx plus d, 2 minus 1 is 1, derivative of this d by dx of cx plus d by dx of d. Now this will be again 2 cx plus d, derivative of cx will be, c will be out, constant, d by dx of x plus, this is a constant, it becomes 0, so 2 cx plus d, this as it is. Okay, coming down, the derivative of x is 1, so c into 1 is c. So now this is 1. Okay, c into 1 will be c, so 2 cx plus d into c. Now multiplying this inside, you have, no, multiplying this with 2, you have 2c cx plus d. Okay, we'll stop it here, don't need to multiply inside. Now we'll write this here. Okay, so the derivative of this is 2c cx plus d. Okay, so this will be again, derivative of this one will be a d by dx of x plus, this is a constant, it will be 0, so again cx plus d whole square plus, let's write it forward, to c ax plus b and cx plus d. Okay, so this will be 1, the derivative of x is 1, 1 into a will be a plus 0 will be a. Okay, so a multiplied cx plus d whole square plus 2c ax plus b cx plus d. Okay, hope this is the answer. We'll see.